Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GoodNotes for study notes in 2026. Do you want to take better study notes and stay organized? GoodNotes is one of the best tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this effectively for studying. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application GoodNotes. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the application GoodNotes. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to enter the apps page and click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, you're gonna open the app and then you're gonna be directed to your home screen. As you can see here, you're gonna make sure to log in using your account credentials either via Google. Then you're gonna make sure to create a new notebook. You can create a new notebook by clicking on the plus new button. Now, the free version only allows you to create 3 notebooks. So if you're interested in taking a lot of notes, you might want to upgrade to premium. Now after you choose a notebook, you're gonna open and then choose a template like lined or grid paper. You can find templates in the marketplace or you can create your own. Now once you create your own or edit your template, you're gonna go back here. Let's go back here. Now we're gonna open a new notebook like this, and then while your notes clearly using headlines and subheading, use highlighters to mark important points. You can use the toolbar to write with your hand, or you can even write with your keyboard by typing in the text bar right here and opening your keyboard and typing in what you want to write. As you can see here, you can double click on the text box so you can click and you can change the font, etc. Now you can add diagrams and sketches to visualize your concepts and use colors to organize topics. Using GoodNotes for study notes helps you stay organized and learn faster. Build a system and stick to it. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.